Alright guys, as we discussed yesterday, we are looking for buy a near demand zone or near breakout the structure. So here in this area, we enter near demand zone. Next, the two entry somewhere here that was breakout the structure and another here breakout the structure. So this area most important because this is a session breakout. So in my premium group or premium course, we explain everything. What is the session breakout? What is the breakout of structure? And what is the demand zone? How exactly big boys are entering in this market? So let me show you in a small time frame. So just a minute. Let me draw here. So we enter here. We enter somewhere there and we enter somewhere there. Basically, we follow 1:3. So let me zoom in and shift to 1 minute chart. Okay, let me show you the reason why I entered. So now I can see price open a gap up and price drop, goes up a little bit, pull back. That was our entry point. That was 1:3 my profit target. So I enter here and I kept 50. My always I kept 50 SL and 150 my target here. So in this area 1:3 my profit target. So price drop like that. Here you can see price are running toward the downside here, but I didn't take any position. So finally here you can see the price action. All right, price goes down, pull back, goes down, pull back, price goes down, pull back, price goes down, and like that, and finally here. So I enter somewhere here. So let me show you here in this area, but it took too much time. So my target was below this one. That was 60 rupees FL, and my target was 1:3 somewhere there. Okay, near here. So here you can see, and my SL was here. Okay, but the next again price drop, and again I enter another trade. Let me explain here first. So price drop, but I didn't close this position. Price goes down, pull back, goes down, pull back, like that, and finally price goes up and pull back, goes up. So that was my entry point here. I add another position. So let me show you here 1:3 somewhere there, and I kept 50 rupees SL, 55 somewhere like that. All right, so here I can see my target 1:3. Okay, my target was 1:3 here, and another my target was 1:3. So somewhere there, and exactly hit my target and close my position. But finally price goes up from this area, but I booked 3 profit. So I took 3 trade. Let me show you. In that case, I took 3 trade, 1:3, 1:3. So it took too much time. So finally triggered my target. So I never closed my position until hit or until hit my SL. So that was, but finally price goes beyond my range, but I'm not interested. So 3 trade I took. So all are profitable. That is enough because we are using more 4 to 5,000 quantity in a single lot. So that is why 3 trade is enough for me. So I come out from the market. For the next Monday, what the trading strategy will be? Where is the demand and supply? Where breakout the structure? So definitely we'll discuss. So I think you hope how we exactly enter in this market. So thanks for giving your valuable time.